Hello, it's MaryonStewart, and I just wanted to come on today and just talk to you a little bit about what you're doing at the moment and give you a few encouraging words to get you through the first week or two, because I know that's the toughest time. So first of all, I just wanted to tell you that I've just come off the call, which was the last call of the first 6-week boot camp, and so many of the women are feeling so much better. It's just unbelievable. I'm really buzzing because it was obviously the first group, and it was an experiment, I suppose, if you like, to see how much progress I could get for these women in a group setting. I have done a bit of this before, but not a great deal. So it has worked amazingly, and I wanted you to know that. In fact, I've asked some of them if they'll come and give you a bit of hand-holding, a bit of mentoring, and talk about their experience as well. So we're going to be organising that over time. But so I can't tell you, I'm so blown away by how much progress they've made in 6 weeks. Obviously, it is a 5-month program. It does take time before you're on completely safe ground. But for so many of them who've been battling with different possibilities of what's wrong with their health, or just losing hope about the future and feeling that everything was bleak because they felt so bad and they couldn't relate to their partners and they were just clinging on by their fingernails and not recognising themselves, they're now back to feeling that they can see who they are and they can see that this is the way through. And some of them have already got their flushes controlled or controlling. They're not feeling anxious anymore. They haven't got headaches. They're not feeling so achy. And there's lots of different things going on for different people. So the general consensus was that this was a great success. So I just wanted to pass that on to you because you're just in the beginning of your journey, and hopefully we'll get you through to the same place as I just got them, which is very, very exciting. So I'm going to be coming in here and answering your questions. So I want you to ask me questions. Ask me anything you like about this life stage, and I will try and answer it for you to the best of my ability so that I can make it easy for you going through this program. So we're going to put all sorts of suggestions in here. You can swap suggestions with other people about different foods you've tried and different drinks that you've tried as alternatives. And it's really nice to do that. So we'll take some of the examples from before and we'll get the ball rolling for you in the next few days. And then hopefully you'll post some things yourself to get this group coming together as a group, which the other group did, and it was amazing. So I just wanted to say that this is a difficult stage, because when you're starting to come off things like tea and coffee and wheat and bran, you're hunting around for alternatives, and it is a bit tricky because it's out of your comfort zone. You're already feeling rubbish and you've got to go to the bother of doing all of this. Maybe you can do some shopping online. Maybe you can do at least your research online so you know what you're going shopping for. And if you have got a headache or you are feeling more anxious because you've given up caffeine, then just tell the people around you that you are going through some withdrawal symptoms so that they become understanding and not antagonistic towards you. Just let them know that you're going to take a few weeks to get through this and come out the other end. Usually the withdrawal symptoms don't last more than a few days, but sometimes they can last a bit longer than that. And once you get some really good wholesome food into you and you get established on some of your supplements, like the Femma 45 Plus, for example, in the UK, or Gynovic Plus in the US, you've got those nutrients filtering through to your system, and it will help your brain to come out of economy mode. It will help you to start feeling normal again and to start feeling a bit more clarity, and to lose that cotton wool foggy feeling in your head and lose that real horrible anxious feeling you get at such regular intervals. So it's really a process. You're not going to wake up tomorrow feeling completely better. Just want you to understand, but going through this as you all are for the next 6 weeks, you should have lots and lots of hope in your heart. I'm going to give you as much support and encouragement as I can along the way. If you've got any questions whatsoever, I want you to ask me the questions. No matter how silly you think they are, just ask them anyway, because chances are other people may be feeling that too. And we'll get some other people coming in to give you their take on what's just happened to them in the 6-week boot camp, to give you a bit more sisterhood support, and so that you can feel that you're definitely in the right place and you feel upbeat about doing this, making those sacrifices, because you know that at the end of the day, whether it's 6 weeks or through to the end of 5 months, you're going to be feeling so much better. You'll be so glad that you did this, and so glad that you invested the time in getting back to yourself and making sure that you are back in the driving seat and feeling well again, so that you can embrace life and all that goes with it. So So thank you for listening, and keep those questions coming, and I'll be back again. I'm actually travelling tomorrow, and then I have got various things going on and a house move, so I will come in as often as I can, and I'll watch out for your questions, so please do send them to me. Looking forward to helping you through this transition. Bye for now.